everybody, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sarah. Today we are doing an Aldi grocery haul. I just have to run in real quick and grab a few things that we need for the week, so I just figured y'all could tag along with me, and then once we finish up and get back to the house, I'll show y'all what all I picked up and I'll go over the prices with you too. So let's get to shopping. Well, I am back from the store, so I'm going to go over everything that I picked up today and go over the prices with you guys. Picked up some whole wheat bread for $1.05. White cheddar cheese popcorn, this is so good, it's only $1.59. Got 2 jars of sauce for 85 cents. The shepherd's pie is one of our favorites, it's only $4.99. I went ahead and got 2 boxes of taco shells, 89 cents each, along with the taco seasoning for 29 cents each. Some olives for 69 cents, tartar sauce for $1.29. And this really caught my eye. I'm super excited. It's a pork roast kit for only $7.99, and all you have to do is just throw it in the crock pot. And then I got a nice big bag of sweet potatoes for $1.99. And I found this pork tenderloin already seasoned for $2.65. I went ahead and grabbed some eggs for 54 cents. And I picked up 2 bags of the broccoli that you can steam in the microwave. And this is a bag of the boneless chicken breast for $5.59. And then I've got this slow cooker sauce. All you need is the meat, and you just throw it in the crock pot with this sauce. So I thought this would be like a super easy dinner. And I got milk for 84 cents. I went ahead and got 2 creamers. I got the peppermint bark for $1.75. And then I went ahead and got, this is like a pumpkin spice, the Delightfully Pure for $2.05. Went ahead and grabbed my coffee for $4.29. Some whipped cream cheese spread for $1.29. And for another easy dinner, cheese ravioli for only $2.19. So you can't beat that, and just throw some sauce on it. Cheap, easy, and quick dinner. And I also found the salad kit. It's got everything you need in it. It was only $2.89. And it's got the Caesar with the bacon. Went ahead and picked up some green peppers for $1.85. And then I found these dark chocolate espresso beans for $2.99. I'm a coffee fanatic, so I love chocolate covered coffee beans. And I love getting ground turkey, the frozen one. I always grab a couple of these whenever I go because they're so cheap. A couple things of black beans for 39 cents each, and then some diced tomatoes. And it has the basil, garlic, and oregano in it. So it's got a little bit of seasoning. 4 ears of corn for $2.79. And I picked up this watermelon. It's just like a small little watermelon for $3.29. Sandwich bags for $1.45. I picked up this Rice Krispie Treats kit for $4.99. And then they had these bags of candy. That one's got the labeled peanut free and gluten free on it. That one has 170 pieces. And back here, I couldn't resist. I just thought this was the coolest thing. It's a magazine holder, and it was only $4.99. And I wanted to show you guys what it looked like with some magazines in it. Pretty cool, huh? And then I also grabbed a couple of boxes of the cornbread mix. That was only 47 cents. And then I got a bag of oranges for $3.99. And I picked up a bag of onions for $1.79. I also grabbed some sandwich meat, some ham for $2.49. I went ahead and grabbed some hot dog buns for 59 cents, a 4-pack of yogurt, the probiotic yogurt for $1.85. I thought that was a good deal. And these protein bars, these are really good. I do think the price went up a little bit. They're $4.45 now. Grabbed 2 kibasas for $2.29 each. And then I grabbed some bars of soap for $1.49. Alright you guys, well that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to leave me a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, bye y'all.